dark of night, with a half-drunk and empty heart, pretending we're in love, but it's never enough. As the hours fade, they're slipping away. Oh, how did we get here now? This is how the storm is closing in, pretending we are strong, but breaking from within, holding on to shadows, chasing every spark, trying not to fall apart in the dark. The silence echoes louder than our words. We're strangers tangled in a curse. Promises like ashes falling slow. We're burning out but still we glow. And I wonder if we'll make it through, or are we just a memory in blue? Every lie we told was gasoline. Every touch was fire on the screen. And now we're standing at the edge again, not sure if we're lovers or just friends. This is how the storm is closing in, pretending we are strong, but breaking from within, holding on to shadows, chasing every spark, trying not to fall apart in the dark. Maybe love was never meant to stay. Maybe we just lost along the way. But if tomorrow brings another chance, would you take my hand or let it slip again? Street lights flicker like the truth we hide. I see the distance growing in your eyes.